Are you an e-commerce seller? Overloaded with customer messages? It's time to rethink how you manage your inbox. Introducing Replyco, a help desk tool built for online sellers like you. It integrates with all major marketplaces and helps improve response rates. Here's how it works. Messages are automatically organized, then assigned to team members, like Jane. If it's after hours, an autoresponder is triggered. When Jane begins work, she knows exactly which tickets to address. Here's an Amazon "Where's my order" message. Jane can easily see the item has shipped. So she selects the order tracking template from the dropdown. This pre-fills the response using custom tags like name and tracking. Click send. Easy. Sellers can also manage cases and process returns and refunds in just a few clicks. Replyco is truly the best all-in-one tool for e-commerce sellers. All your marketplaces, one smart inbox, affordable pricing, concierge support. That's the Replyco difference. Ready to get your inbox down to zero? Try Replyco free today.